Hi everyone! Welcome to day 3 of our Beginner to Fluent English in 7 Days series. You're doing great! Yesterday, you learned daily use sentences. Today, we'll learn how to make small English conversations through question and answer practice, the most important step for real speaking. Let's begin with basic personal questions. What is your name? My name is Ria. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. Where do you live? I live in Delhi. What do you do? I'm a student. Or I'm working. Now, let's move to daily life questions. What are you doing? I'm watching TV. Where are you going? I'm going to the market. Are you busy? Yes, a little. Or no, I'm free. Do you like coffee? Yes, I love it. Or no, I prefer tea. Next, some time and routine questions. When do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What time do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. How do you go to school? I go by bus. Let's practice friendly talk. How was your day? It was good. What's your plan for today? I'll study and relax. Do you like music? Yes, I love listening to songs. Which song do you like? I like English pop songs. Now, some short and natural question forms. Really? Yes. Are you sure? Of course. Can I help you? Yes, please. Shall we go? Yes, let's go. Here's your day 3 challenge. Ask and answer at least 10 questions in English today, even to yourself. For example, what am I doing now? I'm watching this video. Small practice like this makes you confident fast. That's it for today. Tomorrow, we'll talk about tenses, but in a fun and easy way that helps in speaking. Comment I'll practice questions daily. If you're ready for day 4,